Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD, and right now gold is standing at 1863. The weakness on gold is still continuing, and our sell stop again worked yesterday. So last 2 days have been very good for us because we were on sell position, and now we can see that gold is trying to show some temporary recovery here. But still we cannot deny the fact that the chart is still in downtrend. The chart is still very much weak, and respecting the trend of the market, we should be looking for sell positions only. Those who are looking for buy positions, those who are hoping for a bounce in the market, trend reversal in the market, keep in mind that without any proper fundamental reason, there will not be any trend reversal. Because for direction, we need a news, we need a fundamental factor. And right now in this market conditions, the technicals doesn't have the strength to change the direction of the market, and that's a reality. If you're holding a buy position, then try to exit from the buy position as soon as possible to save your capital. Sometimes we think that it is not possible to book such a big loss, but we forget that if we don't book loss at the right moment, we will lose our whole capital. Don't make the mistake, my dear friends. So today, this is the economic calendar. You can see we have news coming up on the US dollar again in the US session, so be careful. Market will be volatile again. Usually GTB and Michigan consumer sentiment is not a big event. Hardly we get to see a volatility for a couple of minutes to max 1 hour. But last time I saw that the volatility lasted for 2 hours, 3 hours. So be careful, because right now market is waiting for volatility. So be careful and do not gamble with your capital. Okay. And if you look at the chart of dollar index, then we know it very well that dollar index is extremely bullish. The high of 106.82 is still there in the market. We can clearly see the dollar index is going for correction right now, some retracement. And on any chart of the world, okay, retracement is very important so that it can go up again. Do not consider this as a trend reversal. This is just a retracement. A trend reversal will only come if a news comes out that is bad for US dollar, and that will push the market towards the downside. But in absence of any news, this will just be a retracement. Maybe a minor retracement, maybe a bigger retracement, but retracement. Okay. So during the day, if the retracement on DXY continues, we can expect 105.80 to be the next support because of the 50 moving average here. You can see the 50 moving average has acted as dynamic support in many instances, so we can expect the same again. During the day, if the volatility reduces, 50 moving average will come to the scene as the dynamic support. And then we have 105.50 where we have the 100 moving average if market comes for deeper correction. And if you're wondering about resistance on DXY, then in this market condition there is no such thing as resistance. Okay, we just have previous highs in the market, and obviously in this type of market condition, previous highs or resistances are very weak. Okay, you can see dollar slips on weak US economic news. Dollar eases from 10-month high but on track for weekly gain. So market is expecting that more or less dollar will close on a weekly positive weekly level. Now let's look at the chart of gold. So gold is standing at 1863 right now, and yesterday gold made a low of 1858. This was the low made by the market, and for the last 2 days we have been following a simple trend. Whenever market is breaking the previous low, we are going for a sell. Yesterday also we had a sell stop around 1872.50, and today also I'll be going for a sell stop around 1857.50, around 187. I still have not placed the order yet, okay, but still I'll just place the order below 1857.50 or around 1857 level. But in the last 2 days, gold has shown extreme weakness, so I'm not expecting a big fall like day before yesterday or yesterday. So I'll try to book my profit around 1851 or 1852, and the reason is that 1850 is a round number and it will act as a psychological support as well. So 1851, 1852, okay, will be a good take profit target for me. And yesterday I did not go for my usual 40 pips. It was a big fall. My TP was around 1860. Okay. So today, my dear friend, so we can look for a sell position below 1857.50. But today, be a little bit careful, because already market has shown big selling, okay, before below the previous low. So be a little bit careful. If you see the market is going down with a big red candle, then it will be convincing enough. But in case you see that market is going down with small red candles and there is not much volume in the market, okay, then there's a high chance that market may not go for a big fall. Market may not head towards 1850, 1851 level, because market doesn't like common things. And if you're already holding a sell position in a market, then be on the trade, enjoy the ride. Because many of you, I know many of you, okay, already I have received many emails where you have expressed your happiness that you are holding a sell position from 1914. Someone is holding sell position from 1950 level. So you can be on the trade, no need to exit, because further downside on the chart of gold is still very much possible. And if you're holding a buy position, then I have nothing to say. Try to exit at the retracement. And if you're looking for fresh position, then yes, you can look for a sell position below 1857.50. But be a little bit careful, because in the last 2 days this strategy has worked fantastic. Okay, so today there is a possibility that market may go for some SL hunting. Be careful. And during the day, if market tries to recover from this particular level, if you see that gold is trying to recover, in that case you can look for some selling opportunity around 1872 to 1873. The previous support of gold will be acting as the resistance here. You can also make it 1875 also, because if you make it 1875, then you can see that you'll also be having the 50 moving average, the previous resistance around the area. So you can see that this is working as a zone in the market, and this will work as a zone in the market. And especially in this type of market structure where sellers are dominating, you can expect that market will show some reversal, some price rejection from above around this area. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position. I'll also go for a sell position, but for confirmation, 1 hour chart will be slower. You can simply switch to 15 minutes time frame to observe the market behavior. Just go to 15 minutes time frame and just see how the market is behaving. Once you'll see the market is struggling, showing price rejection from above, you'll get the confirmation and you can click on the sell button. Because sometimes we wait for the candle to close on 1 hour time frame and we miss the opportunity. Okay, observing the market behavior will be important here. So 1870 to 75, the previous support will be acting as resistance. We have previous price rejection also around this area. And in addition to that, we also have the moving average coming down. And then we have the next resistance around 1885. Remember the previous support which did not work? Yes, 1885, the previous support will also be working as resistance here. Then we have resistance around 1892 to 1893. So there are multiple resistances on the chart of gold right now, because the market is in downtrend, so things are not very positive. You can see here, yes, this is the Fibo here. Okay, and as per Fibo, we also have 1878 also, 1878, 79 as resistance. So in simple words, we have multiple layers of resistance. And in this market condition where sellers are high in number, each and every level should work, at least for quick scalping. You can see here 1872, 72, 73 is a resistance, 79 is a resistance, 85 is a resistance, 18. Then we have Fibo 38.2 at 1892. So we have multiple layers of resistances. Okay, but I don't think so market will be heading towards this level in this condition right now. And after the news, if market shows extreme volatility, you can stay away, because overall we have made good money, we have made good profit. So obviously you don't want to lose your whole weeks or weekly profit on a single 1 or 2 bad trades. So these are the levels or trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. There is no proper support, immediate support on the chart of gold right now. Market sentiment is not positive, so following the trend of the market is the only medicine here. I have been telling this thing for last couple of days and weeks. I don't know whether you're listening to me or not, but okay. But this is the only solution right now. Though gold has shown extreme selling pressure, Though gold has witnessed extreme selling for the last couple of days, but still there is no news or any indication of trend reversal. So till any indication of trend reversal, we need to follow the trend of the market only. As a result, sell on rise is the best trading strategy. So if gold breaks the previous low of 1858, we can look for a sell position around 1857.50, and if gold shows recovery during the day, we can look for selling opportunity at each and every resistance, considering the weakness in the market. 1872, 73, 74, this is a resistance zone. Then we have 79, 85, 1892, 93. All these are levels in the market. We can look for selling opportunity around each and every level. Okay, but after news, if market shows very much volatility, be careful. Okay, no need to gamble. Okay, take care of your capital. So this is all from my side, my dear friends. Enjoy and have a lovely day. Bye bye, take care. See ya tomorrow with the weekly analysis. And please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong also. Do not gamble with your capital. I'm also a trader like you. Bye bye, take care.